Welcome to our video on the top 10 places to visit in Seychelles. Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands located in the Indian Ocean, known for its beautiful beaches, lush vegetation, and diverse wildlife. In this video, we'll be taking a tour of the top 10 must-see islands in Seychelles, highlighting their unique features and activities. From the bustling capital city of Victoria on Mahe Island to the secluded beaches of Denis Island, there's something for everyone in Seychelles. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey through this tropical paradise. Number 1. Mahe Island. The largest and most populous island in Seychelles, known for its diverse landscape, which includes both lush rainforests and rugged mountains. Home to the capital city, Victoria. Visitors can explore the Mont Seychellois National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can find various plant and animal species, such as the Seychelles black parrot, the national bird of Seychelles. It also offers several hiking trails with different difficulty levels for nature lovers. The Victoria Market is another must-see destination, where you can find a wide range of local crafts and souvenirs. This island is excellent for those who want to combine nature and urban amenities. Number 2. Digue Island is known for its stunning beaches, Anzou d'Argent, and traditional Creole culture. It's a perfect place to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, as cars are banned on the island, and you can only move by bicycle or ox cart. Visitors can rent a bike or take a traditional ox cart tour to explore the island's picturesque villages and traditional way of life. The island is also home to the Union Estate, where you can learn about the island's history of coconut and copra production. Additionally, Digue is known for being one of the best places in the world to spot giant tortoises in the wild. Number 3. Praslin Island. Known for its lush vegetation, including the famous Coco de Mer palm and beautiful beaches like Anse-Lazio, the island is home to the Vallée des Mailles Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to the largest Coco de Mer palms population. It also offers excellent opportunities for hiking and birdwatching, with several nature trails that lead through the island's dense forests. Praslin is unique for it's the only place in the world where you can find the Coco de Mer palm tree. It's also known for being the second most visited island in Seychelles after Mahé. Number 4. Frigate Island. A small secluded island that offers a peaceful and private vacation experience. Frigate Island provides excellent opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing on its beautiful beaches, as well as snorkeling and diving in the nearby coral reefs, where you can see a variety of marine life, such as colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. The island is home to a frigate bird sanctuary, where visitors can observe the birds from close range during the breeding season. The island also has a small eco-lodge for visitors to stay overnight and experience the island's natural beauty at its best. Number 5. Curieuse Island. A protected marine park that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and conservation efforts. The island is home to giant tortoises, which can be observed in their natural habitat during guided tours. Visitors can also explore the island's mangrove forests and rocky coastline on foot, and dip in the crystal clear waters surrounding the island. Curieuse also offers excellent opportunities for snorkeling and diving, where you can see various marine life, such as colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. The island also has a small research station where scientists study the island's giant tortoises and other wildlife. Number 6. Denis Island. A luxurious private island that offers a variety of activities and amenities for visitors. The island has secluded beaches, excellent diving and snorkeling opportunities, and a spa and fitness center. Visitors can also explore the island's lush tropical forests and rocky coastlines on foot, and participate in fishing, sailing, and kayaking. Denis Island is also known for its sustainability efforts, with a small organic farm that produces fruits and vegetables for the island's guests. Number 7. Cousin Island. A protected nature reserve that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and conservation efforts. Visitors can explore the island's rocky coastline and coral reefs on foot, and participate in guided tours that provide information on the island's unique flora and fauna. The island is home to various bird species and offers excellent snorkeling and diving opportunities. Cousin Island is also an important breeding ground for several species of sea turtles and offers guided snorkeling trips to see them in their natural habitat. Number 8. Aride Island. Another protected nature reserve that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and conservation efforts. The island is home to a large seabird colony and offers great birdwatching opportunities. Visitors can explore the island's rocky coastline and coral reefs on foot and participate in guided tours that provide information on the island's unique flora and fauna. Aride Island is also a sanctuary for several species of sea turtles and offers guided snorkeling trips to see them in their natural habitat. Additionally, Aride Island offers guided birdwatching tours where you can see a variety of seabirds, such as tropic birds, frigate birds, and even boobies. Number 9. Bird Island. A small island that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and conservation efforts. The island is home to a wide variety of bird species, including the rare and endangered Seychelles warbler. Visitors can explore the island's rocky coastline and coral reefs on foot, and participate in guided tours that provide information on the island's unique flora and fauna. Bird Island is also one of the best places in Seychelles to spot sea turtles, and offers guided turtle watching tours. The island also has a small eco-lodge for visitors to stay overnight and experience the island's natural beauty at its best. Additionally, Bird Island offers guided snorkeling trips to the nearby coral reefs, where you can see a variety of marine life, such as colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. Number 10. Silhouette Island. The third largest island of Seychelles, known for its beautiful beaches, lush vegetation, and excellent diving and snorkeling opportunities. Visitors can explore the island's rocky coastline and coral reefs on foot, and participate in guided tours that provide information on the island's unique flora and fauna. Silhouette Island is also home to the jatropha plant, which is used to produce biodiesel and offers a variety of activities, such as hiking, fishing, and sailing. The island also offers guided snorkeling trips to nearby coral reefs, where you can see a variety of marine life, such as colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. Additionally, Silhouette Island has a small eco-lodge for visitors to stay overnight and experience the island's natural beauty at its best. Each island offers its own unique blend of natural beauty, activities, and culture. Whether you're looking for a luxurious and exclusive vacation, a peaceful and private getaway, or an educational and eco-friendly experience, Seychelles has something to offer everyone. If this list has inspired you to plan your next adventure, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe by activating notifications so you don't miss any travel content. And as always, have a nice trip!